Health benefits of dried coconut. Dried coconut, often referred to as desiccated coconut, can offer several health benefits due to its nutrient content. Here are some potential health benefits of dried coconut. Dietary fiber. Supports digestive health. Healthy fats. Contains MCTs, which may aid in weight management and provide energy. Nutrient content. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Blood sugar control. May contribute to better blood sugar levels. Heart health. MCTs may have a neutral or positive effect. Weight management. Can promote a feeling of fullness. Improved hydration. Contains electrolytes for rehydration. Bone health. Provides minerals important for bone maintenance. Skin health. Antioxidants and fats may benefit the skin. Consume dried coconut in moderation as part of a balanced diet. If you have specific health concerns, consult a healthcare professional or nutritionist.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Cook Up Helping Home.